Going down. Double barrel. That's where we were yesterday. That's where we're going today. Someone's scared.
No. Maybe.
We'll see you when we get up there. Thank you. Oh no. Oh! Woo! Holy crap! Oh shit! No way! We gotta do it again. Oh! Maybe not! Ah! Y'all gotta come. Y'all gotta come here and do it. This is so much fun. So much fun. Oh. Yeah. Somebody's gonna get pooped out. Yeah? No. Oh, down the pooper. Nicky, hold on. Right to the stairs. So you wasted all that time just to do that. I didn't even get it on tape. Yeah, neither of you got past the second one.
I know.
Alright, hey guys, so it's nighttime. It's, so no more water park for the night. I'm actually Pokemon hunting. You guys seen that? Up in my room, which you guys see, I caught a few Pokemon. I'll show you guys back at the hotel room. So it's pretty cool. That's the elevators back there, and it's fun. I like this place. I like Great Lodge, but unfortunately, I only got one Pokeball left. So as of right now, it's relatively useless. As of right now in here. There's a Pokemon here, Sparab, I think his name is, but he's only 55. He's only 55, so he's relatively useless. And I'm actually on the blue team, and there's a yellow team right there. It's a Squirtle. No, it's a Warthog. Let's see, 103. Alright, guys, let's see if I can get him. Come on stream. No, give me that Pokeball back. No! Might as well take a picture of him. Never done that yet. Dang. Alright, so I've been wearing Pokeballs. So I use this, and that's where I got the one Pokeball. So let me just show you pretty much. So you come in there, you have this, and that's really it. And it's pretty cool. I like it here. Pokemon hunting is really fun. Hopefully I'll find some more Pokeballs before I leave. I'll record later. Actually, you come down here. We'll come down here. My dad's actually trying to get cake, so you can actually see the park. It's about 10, so right now it's shut down. But I have no idea where my dad went. So I'm just gonna go back up. And I'll catch back with you guys when I finally do something, I guess. See you guys there. There's a buffet back there. That's where I ate breakfast. See you guys there. So a little bit of update. It's already been like 5 seconds since I ended. Nothing happened in Pokemon, but all these people behind me, they're all playing Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go taking over. Oh my god, there's... Look, and there's the Venton. I actually caught this guy. Let's see what CP. 72. It's the life right now. It really is. Well, it's got an 8. I don't know what the heck 8s are about. So, you playing Pokemon Go? So am I. So, let's see if we can get this Warthog. Okay. Bad throw. Okay, come on. He broke out. That's annoying. And my game's full. So, it is what it is. I'm gonna have to delete it and come back. But guys, I'll give you an update if anything else happens, and we'll go for there. See you guys then. Alright guys, after a long full day, finally come to an end. Here with my sister, my mom, and my dad now. We're just sitting out on the porch, and it's pretty much the end of our day of swimming and Pokemon hunting. So, see you guys in my next videos, and see you then.